Financial freedom before 40 isn't a dream. It's a system. Most people wait too long, make small mistakes, and let years slip by. But those who follow the right steps don't just save money. They build wealth, control their time, and escape the paycheck-to-paycheck trap while still young. In this video, we're breaking down the exact steps to achieve financial freedom before 40, why timing matters more than income, and how small, consistent actions create massive results. Before we get started, if you want to take control of your money and your life early, hit subscribe. This is where smart financial strategies get explained. Start with a clear money goal. Financial freedom can mean very different things depending on your goals and lifestyle. For some people, it's about generating enough passive income, money that comes in without active work, to cover all their living expenses. For others, it's about building a substantial nest egg, savings, or investments that give them the flexibility to work on their own terms, pursue passion projects, or retire early. The very first step toward achieving financial freedom is to clearly define what it actually means for you personally. Take some time to think about the lifestyle you want, your responsibilities, and the level of comfort you need. Then, write down the exact amount of money you would need each month to live comfortably, without having to rely on a job or active income. Be as specific as possible, whether that's $5,000, $10,000, or more. The more precise you are, the easier it becomes to plan effectively. Once you have your number, you can start reverse engineering the path to reach it. This involves calculating how much you need to save, invest, or generate in passive income, and setting realistic milestones along the way. Having this clarity provides a concrete target, which will guide every financial decision you make, from budgeting and spending to investing and career choices. Knowing your goal turns abstract ideas about financial freedom into a practical, actionable plan, giving you direction and purpose as you work toward independence and long-term security. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single job is risky and limits your earning potential. The wealthy don't depend on one source of income, and neither should you. Start by maximizing your primary income through skills development and career advancement. Then branch out. Consider freelancing in your expertise area, starting a side business, creating digital products, or offering consulting services. Real estate investing, dividend stocks, and peer-to-peer lending can provide passive income. The goal is to have at least 3 to 5 different income sources. This not only accelerates your wealth building, but also protects you if one stream dries up. Start with one additional income source and gradually add more as you gain experience and confidence. Live below your means consistently. This is where most people struggle, but it's absolutely critical. Financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Adopt a lifestyle that costs significantly less than what you make. This doesn't mean living miserably or denying yourself everything. It means being intentional about spending. Cut out subscriptions you don't use. Cook at home more often. Buy quality items that last instead of cheap stuff that breaks. Avoid lifestyle inflation when you get raises. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is your wealth-building machine. Aim to save and invest at least 30 to 50% of your income. This might seem impossible at first, but as you increase your income and optimize expenses, it becomes easier. Invest aggressively and smartly. Saving money alone won't get you to financial freedom. Your money needs to work for you through smart investments. Start by maxing out tax-advantaged accounts like your 401k and IRA. These give you immediate tax benefits and compound growth. Then move to taxable investment accounts. Index funds are great for beginners because they offer diversification and low fees. As you learn more, consider individual stocks, real estate, or even starting your own business. The key is to start early and stay consistent. Time of the market beats timing the market. Even if you can only invest a small amount initially, the compound effect over 20 years is powerful. Educate yourself continuously about different investment vehicles and always align your investments with your risk tolerance and timeline. Eliminate and avoid bad debt. Debt is the enemy of financial freedom. High-interest debt like credit cards can destroy your wealth-building efforts. Make it a priority to pay off all consumer debt as quickly as possible. Use strategies like the debt avalanche method, where you pay minimum on all debts, but put extra money toward the highest interest debt first. Once you're debt-free, stay that way. Avoid financing depreciating assets like cars or electronics. The only acceptable debt is strategic debt that builds wealth, like a mortgage on rental property or a business loan that generates more income than it costs. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar that could have been invested and growing for your future. Being debt-free also gives you incredible peace of mind and flexibility in your career and life choices. Develop high-income skills. Your earning potential is your greatest wealth-building tool. Invest in yourself by developing skills that command high salaries or allow you to charge premium rates as a freelancer or business owner. These could be technical skills like coding, data analysis, or digital marketing. Or they could be soft skills like sales, negotiation, or leadership. The market rewards rare and valuable skills. Dedicate time each week to learning and improving. Take courses, read books, find mentors, and practice deliberately. As your skills grow, so does your income. This accelerated earning power lets you save and invest more, dramatically shortening your path to financial freedom. Don't wait for your employer to train you. Take charge of your own skill development and watch doors open. Track every dollar you spend. You can't improve what you don't measure. Start tracking every single expense, no matter how small. Use apps, spreadsheets, or whatever works for you. This isn't about restricting yourself, it's about awareness. When you see where your money actually goes, you'll spot patterns and leaks you never noticed. Maybe you're spending way more on dining out than you realized. Or perhaps subscription services are quietly draining hundreds each month. This awareness allows you to make conscious decisions about your spending. It also helps you set realistic budgets and savings goals. Review your spending monthly and adjust as needed. Many people are shocked when they first start tracking and realize they're wasting thousands on things that don't truly add value to their lives. Create an emergency fund first. Before aggressive investing, build a solid emergency fund. This is your financial safety net that prevents you from going into debt when unexpected expenses hit. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. If you have a stable job and good insurance, 3 months might be enough. If you're self-employed or have variable income, shoot for 6 to 12 months. This fund gives you peace of mind and protects your investments. Without it, you might be forced to sell investments at the wrong time or rack up credit card debt during emergencies. Build this fund first, even before paying off low-interest debt or investing. It's the foundation of financial security. Once it's in place, you can pursue wealth building with confidence knowing you're protected against life's surprises. Financial freedom isn't luck. It's planning, consistency, and timing. Follow these steps early, and the years ahead compound your advantage. If this gave you a clear path forward, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to escape the paycheck trap before 40.